So in today's video, we are going to take a look at how we can bypass, this internet requirement restriction and set up a Windows local account. So let's just see how we can do it. So firstly, I want you to do is remove the internet connection from the PC. So if you are connected to the internet using an Ethernet connection, so I would like you to remove that cable from your PC. And if you usually connect, with the Wi-Fi, then there's no issue because we won't be providing Microsoft with our password, our Wi-Fi password. So first let us boot the PC through the USB and then perform the pre-installation steps like selecting the country, region, then keyboard layout. And then when we reach to the internet connection page, so once you are here, you need to open a command prompt over here. So in order to do that, you need to press Shift plus F10 keys on your keyboard. And if you are using a laptop, you may need to press Function, Shift and F10 simultaneously in order to, bring up the command prompt. And once you have pressed these buttons, you will be presented with this, black screen command prompt window. And here, what you we will do the, major of the things here. So once you are here, you need to enter the command double O VE backslash bypass an arrow and then press enter. Once you press enter, the system will reboot. And then we have to, perform the pre-installation steps once again, like selecting the region, the keyboard layout and all. So now when we reach this internet connection screen, here you will see an option which says I do not have internet. Earlier it was not visible, now it is visible. We have to select this option and then again we have to click on continue with limited setup, and that's it. And now you can enter your preferred username and then the password that you want to set up for the Windows local account. And now you don't need a Microsoft account in order to just sign into your PC. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it was, then you can also help me out by clicking on the like button. And if you want, you can click on the subscribe button too. So this is it for today, and you will see me in the next video.